fixed it.
Welcome to the Half-Ass Homestead. My name is Angie, and today we are canning up some delectable pear pie filling. First, we will need to peel, core, and slice 12 cups of slightly underripe pears. In a large stock pot, we will take 2 3/4 cups sugar, 3/4 cup clear gel, 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 1/4 cups of cold water, 2 1/2 cups of unsweetened apple juice, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground clove. All right, now that all of our ingredients minus lemon juice are in our stock pot, we're going to bring these up to where they're just about boiling and where the clear gel starts to thicken the mixture. That's when we're going to remove it. We're going to add our lemon juice, let it go for another minute. And we are adding 1/2 cup lemon juice once the mixture reaches a boil. At this time, we will also add all of our pears. We are going to mix well and bring to a boil. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Makes a pretty good pie. Here we will fill our jars, leaving a very generous 1-inch headspace. Pie fillings are notorious for seal failures. We're going to debubble our jars, and then taking a paper towel soaked in vinegar, we are going to clean the rims of these jars very, very well. Then we are going to place our lids and rings down to fingertip tight. We will then proceed to water bath can our jars for 25 minutes. Once that processing time is over, we're going to let the canner rest for probably 15 minutes. Pie fillings can be a very fickle and easily siphoning thing, so we want to try to make sure we have as few lid failures as possible. Opened up a brand new box of Pear lids. These are the generic lids, like the kind of stuff we get from Fleet Farm. Definitely not Pear. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you guys decide to join along, let me know in the comments section down below how your project turned out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Happy canning.